Ever wondered why some people seem to captivate everyone's attention without flaunting their wealth? What secrets do they know that others don't? In this video, we're uncovering the top 15 traits that impress others more than money. Stay tuned to find out and consider what you might miss if you don't watch, knowing these could change the way others see you forever. Before we jump in, we're going to ask you simply hit the subscribe button to make sure you're never the last to know the life secrets these videos have in store. Number 1, the allure of a stellar partner. It's often said, behind every successful person, there's a supportive partner. This rings true as people often admire those whose partners are not only physically attractive, but also loyal, intelligent, and trustworthy. For instance, when Amal Clooney accompanies George Clooney on the red carpet, her intellect and career achievements in law add a deeper layer of respect and fascination. Their partnerships are not only romantic, but also professional and philanthropic, impressing the public with their combined impact. Number 2, the power of charisma. Charisma can turn the tide in any social situation, making it a highly admired trait. Public figures like Oprah Winfrey and Barack Obama are prime examples of how personal magnetism can elevate one's influence, allowing them to engage with people effortlessly and sway public opinion, showcasing the profound impact of charisma in leadership. Their ability to connect on a personal level during speeches or interviews makes them beloved and respected figures globally. Number 3, culinary mastery. The ability to enchant through culinary skills remains a timeless impressor. Consider celebrity chefs like Gordon Ramsay or home cooks who turn their kitchens into the heart of gatherings. Culinary expertise not only satiates hunger, but also garners respect and admiration from those fortunate enough to enjoy the creations. Chefs like Massimo Bottura, who not only create delicious meals, but also use their skills to fight food waste globally, elevate the status of culinary skills to a form of activism. Number 4, multilingual mastery. Speaking multiple languages is akin to holding keys to multiple worlds. Consider diplomats or international consultants who maneuver through diverse cultures with ease. Their linguistic abilities not only breaking barriers, but also setting them apart in globalized professional environments. This skill enhances personal and professional relationships, opening doors to international opportunities and cultural exchanges that are otherwise inaccessible. Number 5, the self-made success. Building a fortune or a business from scratch, like Elon Musk's journey from a startup to leading SpaceX and Tesla, inspires awe and respect. The narrative of overcoming odds without a safety net resonates deeply, portraying the quintessential American dream. Self-made individuals often have stories of immense personal and financial struggle that add to their aura, making their achievements stand out even more. Number 6, influential connections. Networking prowess can often impress more than financial status. Having well-connected friends or being a staple in influential circles like being seen with celebrities or industry leaders can significantly enhance one's social standing and perceived success. This phenomenon is evident in the tech industry, where entrepreneurs who network effectively often accelerate their success exponentially. Number 7, DIY proficiency. In a world where dependency on services is the norm, being able to repair and fix things independently, like renovating a home single-handedly or restoring a classic car, commands respect and admiration for one's versatility and independence. This skill set not only saves money, but also enriches a person's life with a sense of accomplishment and autonomy. Number 8, physical fitness. Athletes or individuals who maintain peak physical condition project an image of discipline and dedication, traits that are universally admired. Their commitment to fitness and health often inspires others to pursue better physical health. Fitness influencers on platforms like Instagram further highlight how admired and influential a great physique can be as they inspire millions to improve their health and well-being. Number 9, intellectual prowess. A deep understanding of complex subjects like art, science, or history can distinguish one in social settings. Academics and experts who can discuss intricate details with ease often find themselves respected and valued in discussions. This intellectual depth enables them to contribute meaningfully to society and often leads to opportunities in education, consulting, and beyond. Number 10, artistic accomplishments. Publishing a book or creating art that resonates with the public can secure a lasting legacy. Authors and artists who have impacted culture, like J.K. Rowling or Banksy, enjoy a level of perpetual admiration for their contributions to society. Their work not only entertains but also provokes thought and dialogue, making a significant impact on societal norms and values. Number 11. The luxury of leisure, being able to enjoy life without the constraints of constant work, exemplified by people who have achieved early retirement or those who manage a balanced lifestyle, inspires envy and respect among peers who are still navigating the hustle of daily commitments. This admiration is often directed towards individuals who manage to balance high-powered careers with active, fulfilling personal lives, demonstrating that personal success can indeed coexist with professional ambition. Number 12. The satisfaction of problem solving. The ability to solve complex problems, whether in technology, business, or everyday life, shows off a sharp mind capable of overcoming challenges, a trait highly respected in any field. Leaders like Tim Cook of Apple, who navigate complex global supply chains and market dynamics, exemplify how valuable this skill is at the highest levels of business. Number 13. Commitment to growth. Individuals who consistently push their limits and seek new experiences, whether through travel, learning, or personal development, are often admired for their refusal to settle and their pursuit of growth. This trait is highly visible in entrepreneurs and adventurers, whose life stories are filled with risks and rewards that inspire others to step out of their comfort zones. Number 14. Stability and happiness in personal life. Maintaining a happy and stable family life in today's fast-paced world is no small feat. Those who manage to create a loving home environment provide a model of success that's about more than just financial achievements. Families that maintain strong bonds despite the pressures of modern life often serve as real-world examples of successful living, admired by their communities and peers. Number 15. Mastering life's balance. Ultimately, finding the sweet spot where one can enjoy life's pleasures without being bound by work is perhaps the most enviable achievement. Stories like that of the fisherman who chooses contentment over endless toil remind us that sometimes the simplest lives can be the most fulfilling. This message resonates in a world caught up in the race for more, highlighting the wisdom in finding joy in the simple pleasures of life. If you're intrigued by the idea of achieving more than financial success and are curious about how to enrich your life in ways that money can't buy, don't miss our other videos. We'll explore additional strategies to achieve a lifestyle of freedom and uncover the unexpected joys that await on this journey. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on discovering more ways to enhance your life and perhaps find new surprises along the way.